Firmware Samsung Galaxy A01 AT&T SM-A015A. Note: these files are paid. We provide the latest version of A015 firmware. You can contact us to order the file. Contact information in the description. The problems can be fixed by installing the firmware. 1. Upgrade or update Samsung Galaxy Android version and security patch. 2. Removing root. 3. Unbrick the device boot loop. 4. Unlock the Samsung password, PIN, pattern, fingerprint, and face lock. Official firmware tested by Samsung Company. The firmware is flashed using the Odin tool. For example,
The file price is $15. Order now.